Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm just going to explain you one of the IndusInd bank trade that we took last week. The reason for making this video is because so that you can learn patterns and trades like this, and if you come across similar setups in a different stock, you can apply the same technique and make money over it. Okay, this is the main reason why I'm uploading this video, because these patterns repeats itself, and all you have to do is do some homework every week or every day and come across setups like this, and you can make money out of it. Okay, so I personally did not take this trade because I was personally held up with some other works, and I could not participate in the market for last 1 week. However, I do the homework every day, and I particularly chose the stocks over other setups. Let me just explain you why. There were a lot of stocks to trade, but IndusInd Bank seemed to be a better choice for me to short over other stocks for a certain reason. Before I tell you the reason, please make sure to like this video. Let me know if you want example trades like this, so that it will be helpful. These are real-time trades that we take. If you just apply whatever we do in different stock, I'm sure you will be successful, and if you make money because of my techniques, that would be great for me. So let me just explain the reason. Okay, if you look at the IndusInd Bank, this is the plain triangle pattern. As you guys know that there has been a heavy support. Okay, but the reason why I had more conviction towards this setup is because if you look at this trend line, there has been a huge buying. Correct. Whenever IndusInd Bank came to this trend line, huge buying candle. This is huge. This is huge candle. This is huge candle. Green candle. Even this one, look at it, huge green candle. Correct. So basically, people were buying in this trend line with confidence. Correct. Then this happened. A huge red candle with a good close. What does it mean? It means there is going to be a lot more sellers, because if this important trend line is broken with huge volume, it just means that it is going to fall further. Okay, it's very simple. Although I thought it would take a small what to say, like a pullback and then continue its momentum, but I mean, it's 50-50 guys. It could either continue the momentum, or it could take a small pullback and continue the momentum. The key here is that the important level of this trend line is broken. Okay, so that is why last week we did not take any other trade. Although there were several stocks to trade, I picked only IndusInd. So in option buying, you have to be very particular about choosing your stock, and that is why I felt IndusInd Bank short trade is a better bet for me, and it paid off, guys. Look at the huge momentum, and this is a very great trade that we took recently, and these are the profits that people made. Okay, someone made 1 lakh, he booked 25%, 80%. Look at it, 1 lakh. Okay, and 8,000, 6,000. It doesn't matter what capital are you using. If you select the right stock and nail down on one particular setup, that's more than enough. You don't have to trade every day. So that's just my concept. We do not trade every day. I don't believe in the concept of trading every day, because if you trade every day, obviously you will make certain losses, which again hampers your ROI. So look at it, he made 100% gain. He invested 1 lakh and he made 1 lakh. And the highest profit from this setup is from PR. I don't know his full name. He made 7 lakhs. Okay, and that is great. I'm happy to help people, and if you want to be a part of this community, feel free to join. And the one thing that I want to mention is that if you're looking for a trade every day, please do not join it. But what we do is, I personally wait for setups like this that has maximum probability than some mediocre setups. So you have to be patient and wait for my trades or wait for my charts, so that you can take trades like this. Okay, so please use the code options JFT, and as I said, the option membership fee is like 15,000, around 15. I mean, if you include the code, it's less than that. And people have made 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 1 lakh. So you will make 5 times the course fee in just one trade if you do your homework, and if you go through all the videos. And that is what I want, and that is the requirement. You have to go through all the videos, because some people consider this as a call or something like that, but no, I don't give calls. Okay, I teach you the techniques. I post the charts at the right time. You would after going through the videos, you will understand how to trade. Okay, and yeah, that would be all, and this is the trade, and we took last week. And let me know in the comment section if you guys traded IndusInd Bank or any other bank, or what short trade that you took last week and why you chose that. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, and if you have any doubts in this trade, please do let me know. And yeah, that would be all. I personally did not take this trade, otherwise, I mean, I wish I could have taken, because I was not able to participate in the market or be alive in the market. That is, in option buying you have to be present in the market. Okay, otherwise, even if you are not there for 1 day or 2 day, if you are busy, don't take the trade. And that is why I did not take the trade, and I'm okay with that. I'm not regretting. At least my members made money, that I'm happy. So yeah, because there were times where I would take the trade, and if I get busy, and I would make a huge loss. So I don't want that to happen, right? So yeah, that is the reason I couldn't take the trade. But so thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again with another video.